Okay, friends, I'm sure you're thinking, what the heck is that? Looks like a big old mess to me. Well, let me just tell you what it is. I started out, but I forgot to show you guys step by step what I was doing. So let me just tell you what all is in this pan, starting from the bottom up. We have our yolkless egg noodles. We have mushrooms. We have broccoli. We have 5 cans of tuna fish. We have avocado, and salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic. So that's where we are at this point. Fixing to add cream of mushroom soup, and we're going to add cheese, of course. Like I said, I cannot get rid of my cheese all at one time, so I'm still adding cheese. So we're going to fix a little bit of Kimberly's style of tuna casserole, because like I said, I'm supposed to be eating healthier. So the noodles are carb free, no carbs in them. There's no yolks, no cholesterol, none of that gook. There's avocado, broccoli, which are both good for you. We have our mushrooms. Of course, we have our tuna for our protein and just all that goodness. The one bad thing is going to be the cream of mushroom soup, of course. And the cheese is not the best thing in the world to eat because I didn't get skim. However, it's going to be delicious. I'll bring you back when it's all mixed up and ready to go in the oven. Okay, I am back. Everything is stirred, and it is the consistency that I want it to be. It's a nice consistency, as you can tell. You can see all the goodness in there. You can see the cheese that I mixed in, mushrooms, avocados, all of it's in there. So I'm going to put it in the dish. I'll be topping with some butter, and then it will be going into the oven. And I'll bring you back when it's done. Just added about a half a stick of butter to the top of our casserole before putting it in the oven. It's kind of crumbly in pieces because I keep my butter in the freezer, so it's good for biscuits, homemade biscuits. And I did forget to pull. I generally do pull out a stick and keep it in the fridge, but the rest of it stays in the freezer. And I forgot to pull a stick out, so there we have it. Last layer is the cheese, and we will now stick it in the oven. And I'm baking it on 400. It will bake until the cheese is nice and bubbly. All that goodness is going to be so good. So good, so good. I did set the timer for 25 minutes, and the countdown has begun to yummy, yummy goodness. Ooh-wee, I can't wait. I'd say this bad boy is ready to come out of the oven. It is nice and toasty and sizzling. That looks so good. What do you think, Charles?
It does look good.
All right. Good and cheesy. Okie dokie, everybody. It is time for Charlie to let us know how good this casserole is. And again,
taste test time.
That's right. Casserole, Kimberly's way.
Oh, you could have brought it to me while I was in bed.
Oh, yeah, I guess I could have. Oops, maybe next time. Ooh, look at that cheese. Is it good? Is it really good?
That's really good.
Tell us how good it is.
That's really good. Better than any store-bought, I can tell you that.
What do you like about it?
It's really good. I like the cheese.
Would you eat it again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, everybody.
It's good. Very good.
Okay, so that is tuna casserole, Kimberly's way, and it is Charlie approved.
That's right.
All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll catch you on the next video.